Alright, special thanks to this company who sent us their solar wall lantern 2-pack. Now, just company logo, a little bit of the specs that you can see there for this device, and just their info. So, let's open it up and see what we have. Interesting, okay. Solar wall lantern. Oh, you put them together. And it even shows a good and a bad installation. So, screws and everything you'll need. And this looks like all the pieces. So you can see they say up right here. And then here's bottoms and the tops. Very interesting. I've never seen solar lanterns like this. Don't know why that lit up. Well, so yeah, we'll have to get these put together. They look pretty easy. So there's left, right, and then each, item is marked left and right. And so basically, all we've really got to do is take these, put into here with the ups up. And they do take the little screws. You got to put those in on the bottom. And then you basically do the same up here. There we go. 4 screw holes. So basically, you take these screws, slide them in, tighten them, flip it over, do the same thing, and you'd have these things put together in no time. So that's essentially what they would look like. They don't have glass or anything, just solar lanterns. So we're gonna set these up outside, and then we'll see exactly how bright they are. All right, so I have both of these in the sun now, getting charged up. And of course, they do have this little wall mount, which literally sticks on the wall this way so your screws can fit through, and then it literally just clips to the back here like that to hold the lantern on. So very, very easy to install. Once it gets nighttime, we'll show you exactly how bright these are. All right, so here's what the lanterns look like at night. Nice brightness they give off. Let me put over here. There we go. Now you can really see the brightness that these give off. Here's the other one over here. That's the brightness of these. They do have many different modes. So like this one, when I first walked up to it, it got brighter, and then it'll stay bright for so long and then go back down once it don't sense motion anymore. Brightness, and gets even brighter. But that's the brightness of these. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.